Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can switch your Instagram account into private account. So subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. I'm gonna start by opening up my Instagram account. Then I will click the three lines up right. I'll just go to settings. I will just choose privacy because I want to make my Instagram private. So I will just click scroll into private account. So switch to private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photo and videos, and this one and I will click to switch to private because I'm sure I want to make my Instagram private. The video followers, I'm gonna go not now, and my account is already private, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.